Hi traders, it's Roberto. Today's Thursday, December the 3rd, and today's tutorial I'm going to talk about actually reviewing an indicator that I received in the mail. And if you've been trading as long as I have, you probably have received thousands of these offers over the years, and I've definitely received at least 2 or 3 a week since I've been trading. And I've never really paid much attention to them until now. I actually am reviewing one and looking at, they'll send you a screenshot, and let me just show you really quick. And this is one that I'm reviewing, and this is called Buy and Sell Trend Detector. And you simply just load this onto your platform, your MT4 platform, and it generates buy and sell signals. Okay. So they sent me an update on pound USD 1 hour chart, and I'm looking at these buy and sell and I'm saying this is really interesting, and I was wondering if I would have taken these trades based on my analysis. So let me see if I can put this side by side so you can see the screenshot and my trades. So I'm looking at the first trade. Let's see if I can get this. Here was the in December. Okay, so December 1st, here's the first trade right here. And yes, I would have taken this trade. This is a bearish engulfing candle. And there's the trade right there, bearish engulfing candle that generated a sell signal, and I would have definitely entered this trade. And this one, but I would most likely would have exited down here, only given me 30 somewhat pips, where this indicator, had you stayed in a lot longer, and it generated 144 pips, and I don't know if the exit was all the way down here. And then there was a buy signal, and I'm looking at this area of support, and I see a hammer and price rejection. This is area of support. There's no selling interest anymore. And there's a bullish engulfing candle, and that's your buy signal. This is a 1 hour chart. And there it is again. I presume that once price or the candles close above these middle moving average line, then that generates a buy signal. And that's it. It's real simple. I was really interested when I saw that these signals would have, they're legitimate. I mean, I would have definitely taken these trades based on my analysis, just using candlestick, not even using any other indicator. Okay, now you may ask, well, if I know how to do that, why would I want to use this automated system? Well, I can't be looking at 12 or 15 pairs at a time, and you can load this indicator that many pairs, so it's always going to generate a signal. And if you're looking at maybe 2 or 3 pairs, and then a signal is generated on a pair that you're not looking at, then you can scan to that one and take a trade, and take several trades. So what I'm going to do is buy this indicator. It's $87 it's a one-time fee. It's not a membership. You don't pay monthly charge. You just load it onto your platform. It's very simple. I'm going to test it out for a month, and actually about after a week I'll send another video, give you an update, and show you the account, how many pips, how much money was made on the account, and then before I even recommend this. So if you have any questions on this, just shoot me an email, and let's see what happens. So tomorrow is Friday, and let me just go over a few things. One thing, Euro Yen. We have this channel on a daily chart. Now, I'd like to see the price break above 134.50. Let me just make this a little bit bigger before I take a trade, because then it clearly shows that this channel is actually broken. Okay, that's the first trade. The other one was, I think, was the Euro, the Swiss yen. That's what it was. Switch over the Swiss yen. So the yen is extremely weak right now. So let's go to the daily chart. And there it is. It has broken the trend line. Now If there was no non-farm payroll numbers coming out tomorrow, I would definitely take this trade right now because it has closed above the trend line and it's heading north. So I'm going to wait till tomorrow's non-farm payroll and see if the numbers are very good. Then yes, the yen will become very weak, and the euro yen, the pound yen, and the Swiss yen should go up. But the Swiss franc is extremely strong at the moment. Take a look at USD Swiss. If we look over 200 pips today, exceeded its daily range. Let's look at a daily chart. And if what I like to do is place trades when price can close below this moving average line on a daily chart, and it has, but it's oversold. So I'm going to be looking for retracements to find selling opportunities on this pair. I think, let me see if there was another. Let's look at pound yen. Pound yen is finding support at 184.36. Needs to close above this daily Bollinger Band central build before I take a trade, and the body needs to close above here. It is a bullish engulfing candle. Let me just make this a little bit bigger. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 candles that it's engulfing, so that is a definite strong support area. And the way I would trade this is just go to the 1-hour chart, wait for the retracement before taking a trade on this pair. The other pair is pound Canadian dollar. Bullish engulfing candle covering 1, 2, 3. Look how many candles that this one candle. Okay, this one bullish engulfing candle has covered so many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. An entire week. Okay, so we're in an uptrend on the pound Canadian dollar. Wait for a pullback and use the 1-hour chart. And there's a retracement happening right now. We take my Fibonacci tool. The only problem is tomorrow's Friday. Fridays are not the easiest day to trade, and we may have to wait till Monday or Sunday night when the markets open up in the US to actually take a trade. But if this retraces down to these levels, there's 61, 50, 38%, I'd be looking to buy the pound Canadian dollar. And of course your stop loss would have to be down at this swing low, then at 198.41. Okay, that's it for the analysis. I will update you on the review on that indicator if anyone's interested, and have a good trading, or actually what's left of it, tomorrow. Have a good weekend. Thanks for watching.